So if you want to manage your database, so let's say you are developing a program which is going to use program which is going to store user data in its database. In those scenarios, you need DBMS software, or database management system program. So it's a software which is designed to securely manage users' data inside a database. Now, it gives you a structured template to store, to update, or manage any kind of data. So you can retrieve, you can add, you can delete any type of structured or unstructured data. It also facilitates you and gives you controls to, have a consistent database in your system, and this also ensures that there's adequate amount of security and integrity in the database. Now, there are many examples of DBMS software. There could be MySQL. There is Amazon's as well, Postgres SQL, Microsoft SQL, etc. One such software, if you are a beginner, is DB Browser for SQLite. So it's SQLite. It's a very basic DBMS, but it gets the job done. And if you are a beginner, it's also, and if you're a student, which then I think this software is pretty good in using and manipulating data inside your DBMS. So quickly go ahead and click, do a good search on Google DB Browser, and you will be directed towards this website. Simply click, and you will land on their page. Go to the download section, and now here there are multiple formats you can download to install the software, but I would recommend you to choose standard installer. That's it. That's like the .exe file. So if I save this, you will see it's a .exe installer. Now, because my system is 64-bit, I installed 64. Otherwise, you can also do 32. Don't choose other options. I know if you have Mac, I don't know. I don't have Mac, so I can't comment on that. But if you have Windows, use this method. Otherwise, we have portable app as well. So it basically gives you a quick access without actually installing this. Now, I would recommend simple installer. It's not that heavy as well. Once it's downloaded, it's a simple install procedure. Let's see how it goes. Once you have installed DB Browser, you will get the icon. Double click on it, and it will simply open the software package or the installed software. Now you can do all kind of activities that you have seen before. You can open your projects. You can create a new database and open database. Now I will, sooner or later, I'm going to make SQL videos as well. So that will give you more in-depth knowledge of what SQL is and what's the use case of SQL. Now, quickly, I will go through the sub ribbon bar to actually see what tabs we have. So we have web database structure. So in this, you get name, type, and schema. Then you have browse data. Here, you can get the outlook of your, or a quick clip of your data, how your data is actually structured and what it looks like. Then you have some pragmas, which can be changed. Honestly, I don't know much about this because I have not done anything in this. And you have your SQL editor. Here you are going to write prompts, which is going to change something in your database. That's it. So this is it about DB Browser and how to install it for your learning. Thank you.